Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Citywide.Kb. I'm coming back with another video, and today I got another POV video for y'all boys. I know I've been away for a cool little minute. I've been on my little hiatus, my little break, but I'm just gonna open the hood and just blitz y'all with it right fast. Just while I was gone, I was recording. I just wasn't editing, wasn't doing nothing like that. But as you can tell, I done a couple of upgrades, but I got a video on the 04 through 06 conversion bumper to a 0708. So stay on the lookout for that motherfucker though. But just Then I got a DIY hood spacer for the low. If y'all want a video on it, just comment down below. Just let me know something. Other than that though, I ain't done nothing to the rear though, so I ain't even gonna go back there. But just wait on it. Just wait on it. Back to the front though. What's that? Hope I don't lose that. Before we hop into the video though, y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Let's check this out though. Ain't nobody in the goddamn seat. Hold on. Peep this out. If y'all want a video on a TL Type S and whole steering wheel install on the 04 through 06 TL, just let me know something. I happily do the video. I already got it recorded. I happily just go ahead and throw y'all that live like that. So y'all just let me know. Also, I got the video on the cluster too. It's basically plug and play. All you gotta do is just get the cluster and just plug it in. That's it. I'm gonna throw y'all up on the head mount. I'm get everything situated out. We're not gonna get a wash tonight, but what the fuck is this behind me though? If y'all want that steering wheel install, just let me know something. I happily do it. I already recorded, but just let me know something. That boy cutting up already. I'll drop my vape. Motherfucker just pulls with that motherfucking intake, bro. Oh shit. Damn, we running from the Jakes on this episode? Is that what we doing? Oh shit. That's a state trooper. It's traffic at 9 o'clock at night? But I want to say I had these paddle shifters for going on 2 weeks now. Let me turn this off. It's a 04 through 06 with the 07 steering wheel in this motherfucker. But at the same time, this motherfucker got paddle shifters and this motherfucker got a rail light, boy. That shit's crazy. But let me shut the fuck up and lock in, cause I can't walk and chew gum, it seems. I'm not gonna risk it. Not even for the biscuit. And bro, these intake noises on this, bro, the intake noises are mwah. Listen to this. I didn't rev out all the way because nigga I'm speeding. But yeah though, if you have a 04 through 06, all you will need is the clock spring airbag and the steering wheel to clock spring connection. from the body harness. And that's all you would need from that car if you already have the steering wheel. But if you don't have the steering wheel, grab the steering wheel and you can just leave the switches. But if you want to grab the switches, you can, but I'm not telling that you can't. But now that I got the paddle shifters, I'm all in with this car. I'm all in. I basically got a Type S. Yeah, I basically got a Type S, honestly. I would just need a tune, that's it. Because the Type S doesn't have this fat ass spacer, doesn't have this cold air intake, and it does have Brembos, and it does have thicker sway bars, and probably an LSD transmission. 4th gears, wow. This motherfucking mount is killing my fucking forehead though, nigga. I ain't gonna lie to you. Damn, they look like 12. If y'all did like that video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn them post notifications on. I'ma catch y'all when I catch y'all.
Bye, have a great time.
And I'm a big dog like a K9. I done find out why they hate now. They thought I ain't had what it take. So I'ma rub this shit in they face now.